Hey guys, Canva is not a design tool, it is money making skills nowadays. So in this video, I will show you how I use Canva to make money on Upwork with a real client project. So stick into this video. So as you can see, we are on Upwork. So you will see the best match. Once you set up your profile like a Canva designer, it will showcase the best match, the Canva related project in the best match folder. So you can see all the project is relevant for your skills. Here I'm looking for a skill designer, Canva and Design Figma, and they are going to pay us $40 budget, and you can easily create luxury wellness brand. So these are the amazing jobs people are posting every day. You can see this is the job posted 3 hours ago. Also, you can also specify your skills. If you are looking for Canva related work, just search Canva. Here you will see all the work which is recently posted, and you can also filter it out by, if you are looking for the very large amount of projects, then you can filter out accordingly. If you are a beginner, so I will highly recommend you to start with less than $100, so you can easily get it and set up your profile in a pro way, so you will get multiple projects. So in this video, we are going to complete this amazing project, graphic designer, social media, cosmetics, and here's the summary of the project. Because of the Upwork privacy policy and the client confidential details, I will not gonna show you the exact design whatever created for the client, but I will create a separate design, a very close to the work we have created for the client. So let's design inside the Canva if you got something amazing projects like this. So let's start. So first, all you have to do is just open a social media page, Instagram post as client requested. So let's create a smooth gradient for our skincare product. So I'm using these colors. You can see the 3 color I'm using for my gradient. So if you want all these colors, you can check out the description where you will get all the details along with the template. So you can grab it and utilize it. So let's add some of the product image or the model image. So you can see I'm using this. Also, I'm just removing the background and placing into the bottom here. So let's adjust it and increase the size of this design or the image. You can see so it will cover most of our part, because in the skincare product the image is the main hero. So let's add a text by pressing the T key on your keyboard and write natural here, and my text like this. And also you can just, I'm going with the little higher size 177. So you can see also I'm using the flattery serif font, so that exactly available inside the canvas. If you want, you can also use it. So let's add another text is skincare and place it exactly like this behind the image. So and also add some of the contact details on the top. You can see like this, I'm changing the color of the line shape which is available in the contact details, so you can see. So let's add a rectangle quickly, just a rectangle, and place it in the bottom. Also add some of the corner radius and placing here, and in this I'm adding some of the corner radius like this. Okay, so this is good. And on I'm in this, I'm also using the same gradient but different mesh type. You can see different type of gradient. So and I'm duplicating it using the white color, just a solid white color I'm using. And let's select both of the shape and add a stroke for 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, so of a black color stroke I'm using. So let's adjust it like this. That's good. So next, what we can just add a text here for contact details. So let's write as like contact us, and using the same font, we will just adjust the font here. Also add a website here like this. So select all this and adjust a little. Also it's higher in size, so I'm just reducing the size. You can see a little. Okay, so now it's looking good. So let's add a circle here, because in the skincare product we need to highlight the detailing. So you can see I'm going with this method by adding the circle and the line. I am adding one more rectangle also. So in that I will add the quality of the product. So these kind of things you will observe in the skincare tag design. So these are the small detail when we need to highlight when we are using this kind of shapes. So let's add our balance oil production, and in the similar way I can just duplicate it and paste it quickly here and there, so it will be available. You can see. Okay, so all the places we have added this our text and highlighted the area, you can see. So just little bit adjustment we need to apply, so we can apply, and now you can see our design is ready. This is the only one design as client requested for multiple designs, so I have created this one, and I have also provided you the 6th design which is client requested, looking like this. After this is the only one, you can see the page one having different designs. So all the designs I have created and provided the client. These are the not real design, this is just for your tutorial and available in the description, so if you want you can check out. So in this way you can also generate some easy money by using Upwork and the Canva and create another passive income source for you. So if you are a student or a beginner, then I would highly suggest you to apply for the projects or the work which is having the less proposal, so it will increase the chance to get your work and you can start earning with the Canva skills which I am taking. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye, see you into the next amazing video.